In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Ads account to Hubspot. By the end of this walkthrough, your Google Ads will be linked to Hubspot so you can track campaigns, see attribution, and optimize right from your CRM. Before we start, make sure you can sign in to both Hubspot and the Google account that owns or has access to your Google Ads account. It also helps to have admin permissions and to allow pop-ups in your browser, since Google's consent window may open in a new tab. Start by heading to Hubspot in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your Hubspot account. Once you're in, look for the marketplace icon in the main navigation. It often looks like a small store or grid. Click that, then choose the Hubspot app marketplace. This is where all integrations live and where we'll find the Google Ads connector. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Google Ads. You should see the official Google Ads integration appear. Click it to open the listing page. Here, you can review what the app connects and what data it will sync. When you're ready, click Install. If you're prompted to choose which Hubspot account to continue with, select the portal you want to connect and confirm by clicking Continue with this account. This ensures the integration installs to the right place, especially if you have access to multiple portals. After the install step, you'll land in Hubspot's Ads area. Click Get Started with Ads. When asked which network you want to connect, choose Google Ads. A Google sign-in window will appear. Select the Google account that manages the ads account you want to link. If you manage multiple, double-check you're picking the one with the correct permissions. Click Continue to grant Hubspot the requested access. On the consent summary screen, check the confirmation box to acknowledge the permissions and data sharing. Then click Continue and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. In a moment, Hubspot will confirm the link and your Google Ads account should appear as connected within the ad settings. From here, HubSpot can begin syncing ad interactions, helping you view contacts influenced by ads and report on ROI. If you don't see the connection right away, refresh the page, make sure pop-ups are allowed, and confirm that your Google user has the necessary access to the ads account. It's also a good idea to verify you selected the correct HubSpot portal during installation. That's it. Your Google Ads and HubSpot are now working together so you can make smarter, data-driven marketing decisions.